Oh, angry. This game was... What did I have to play? No, it wasn't. Doesn't mean it was good for me. Okay, play more, relax. The first game damage was so big. I wasn't supposed to lose the first game. I still keep thinking about that game. Crazy. Tonight, result is getting worse. My game result.
초읽기를 시작합니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Triple, then accept.
하나, 둘, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 초읽기를 시작합니다. 하나, 둘, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나.
No matter what, I need to keep used to active move.
하나, 둘, 셋,
Aggressive.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
Aggressive, aggressive. I always have to be aggressive.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 하나, 하나, 둘, 셋, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯 하나 둘 둘, 셋 하나 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉 하나 하나 둘 하나 둘 셋 넷 다섯 여섯 둘 셋 넷 다섯 여섯 일곱 여덟 하나 둘 셋 넷 다섯 여섯 일곱 여덟
Okay, let's play slowly from now. Oh, resign? What? Oh, okay, 2-2. He is going back to sleep. He is smiling by emoji. Thank you. Anyway, tonight also 1-1. But somehow a bit sad. I was supposed to win. I made more game. Last game also, I think he couldn't control his emotion too. Here, trading, I think it was like similar game actually. 67 point is actually similar. We didn't make serious mistake, but I think this trading black has got much more. And then now I think if black just play like, I don't know, like this, that's still not good for me because I'm losing the upper side. But he was broken by himself. Like me. Same, we both are same. This game actually I didn't have that much chance. And first game was crazy. First game damage was too big. Yeah. Now it's like I thought impossible to lose. But always we are losing this kind of a game. Yeah. Not just for this. Also he is losing that kind of a game too. Okay, so final game I revenge and I made it 2-2 today also. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching for today's game. Then see you guys next time. Bye.